Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today with 2013 Nissan Dualis, stock number 7458. It's run from the 10th, 2007 to the 5th, 2014. Has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory magnet tyre. Right rear door 2 dents, good private. Right front 18-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.